Hey, inventive minds! Our Steampunk Inventor Mouse has scurried out of its workshop with 5 quirky, brain-bending riddles. Let's dive into the world of gears and gadgets. Riddle 1, if you drop me, I'm sure to crack. But give me a smile and I'll always smile back. What am I? Time's up. The answer is a mirror. Mirrors have fascinated inventors for centuries, from reflecting sunlight to helping create intricate optical devices. Riddle 2, what has a head, a tail, and has no legs? It's a coin. Coins have been around for thousands of years, allowing trade and sparking the invention of early banking systems. Riddle 3, what comes down but never goes up? The answer is rain. Rain powers nature's cycles, fills rivers, and even inspired countless steampunk, whether machines and fiction. Riddle 4, I have a bed but never sleep. I run but never walk. What am I? It's a river. Rivers have been the lifeblood of civilizations and inventors alike, providing energy, transport, and endless inspiration for clever gadgets. Riddle 5, I go up and down but never move. What am I? The answer is stairs. Stairs allow us to reach new heights without moving themselves. Ingenious designs have existed since ancient architecture. So, how many riddles did you solve with our steampunk mouse? Comment below which one twisted your mind the most. And if you loved this inventive adventure, give a like, subscribe, and join the mouse in its workshop for more clever puzzles and whimsical creations.